Oh no.
Magandang umaga sa atin lahat, guys. Ang ating weather today is si Haring Araw ay nagtatago sa Alapaap. Good morning, USA. Good evening, Philippines. Ang aming schedule for today is bibili ng Profane. After Profane, grocery. Okay. Ito yung place ni husband dito sa US, sa Soft Lake. Ang mga bahay dito ang lalayo, guys. Probinsyang probinsya, but city pa din siya. Pag lumabas ka dito, kailangan mong may sarili kang sasakyan. Walang public vehicle here. Kaya pag may gusto kang bibilin sa labas, pag wala kang sasakyan, hindi ka makakalabas. Malayo sa kabihasnan. Yung fields ay ready na sa pagtaniman ng gulay at saka prutas. Month of April, what do you call April? April showers. May
Bring May flowers.
bring May flowers. Wala kang makikita dito sa town nila na matataas na building. Ang pinakamataas nila na building dito sa town hanggang 3rd floor. Pero bihira lang, guys. Ang ganda ng kulay ng trees. Makikita nyo yung trees na mukhang patay na puno, pero pagdating ng May, magiging green na silang lahat. Oh guys, oh, yan yung kanilang sprinklers. Pag may tanim na, yan yung kanilang pang dilig sa tanim. Sa left side, green na yung mga halaman, and the other side, sa right side, ayan ang field, naka-ready na pagtaniman. Yan yung kanilang cemetery. Open field at maliit lang siya. Dito na kami, guys, sa pagbilhan ng Profane. Ayan yung tangki ng Profane at dito na kami bibili. Yan yung store ng Profane.
Profane?
Profane.
Propane?
Yan na po ang pagbibilhan namin.
This one, this looks like Mac when he was a
Drinking
puppy.
water.
Yeah. Hey, look at
The
big
black is-
One
mix
male
in the
gray,
back.
one female black. Bigoni E $35.
Stop doing that.
I know, but he goes
He's not gonna scratch you, I promise.
The puppies.
Under the butt.
but me.
There.
Yeah, so we go in, have like a cat and dog section and then the cat food aisle, and you go all the way down the cat food aisle and you'll be on your right. When you come in, you can
Hello puppies. Hello.
I see you got food in your bowl.
You're so cute, huh?
Yum, 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 yum. Is that really expensive?
Oh, how much?
Oh, wow.
$200 each? Oh my.
Lab Rottweiler.
They are enjoying.
And maybe the what looking one?
Yeah.
Wow, that
So makulit.
Brown feet.
That's one. That one, it's so makulit. Hello, hello, hello.
that dog does the same thing my dog does.
Mm.
This is my
Alright.
favorite.
Ah, it's cold again, love.
Huh?
It's cold, cold, cold.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
Yes, it is. Let's see how much. Why did it come to that much? Propane was 24. Oh, 15. 15 each.
15 inch propane.
Oh, the outlet was $15.99.
Propane.
Wow.
The what?
The outlet,
How much? It's cold, cold, cold. Cold again, guys. Huh? Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Thank you. It's cold, cold.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about now, but I don't know if this is the same stuff.
We're going to try.
You got to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the next there, it's a vegetable. The egg. Egg. We don't have. How about this one?
69 a pound. Okay, let's see.
grape tomatoes.
See?
Ito yung avocado dito guys. So, tingnan niyo po ang avocado at saka tomatoes. How much? Lemon. Or
Over there. Wait,
No.
you got the lemon juice. You got the lemon juice. What do you need the lemon for? Oh. I don't know. Do we got the money? Yeah.
huh?
Oh, okay. How much?
$3.99.
Okay.
Hi guys, gagawa tayo ng vegetable salad. Yung ingredients ay pineapple, corn, string beans, cabbage, potatoes, add onion, salt, and then cheese, and then mayonnaise, and then
More cheese.
sugar. Add mayonnaise. Yan. Masarap. Add pepper.
Add pepper.
That's enough.
More. That way you stir it up and it will.
Oh, masarap, guys. Vegetable salad. So yummy. Ready to eat.